Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and enabling CarPlay. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and paired. Next, plug in or connect wirelessly and open the CarPlay home screen. Now access your iPhone's Today View widget settings. This is where you choose which widgets can surface in CarPlay. Once done, add or reorder widgets on the iPhone so the ones you need appear first. This immediate preparation saves time and prevents back and forth while you're in the car. You now add and arrange widgets so CarPlay shows the most useful information. From your iPhone, tap Edit in the widget screen and drag priority widgets upward. CarPlay mirrors this order. Make sure each widget's app permits CarPlay display. Open the app, adjust privacy or widget-specific settings, and set concise data outputs. Once arranged, reconnect CarPlay and test the widgets area. This detailed execution ensures your navigation, music, and quick glance widgets present actionable info without clutter while driving. You finish by verifying functionality in a safe parked setting. Tap each widget and confirm it updates. If widgets fail to show, disconnect and reconnect CarPlay, then toggle the widget settings on your iPhone. Make sure apps and iOS are up to date. Sometimes an update fixes compatibility. If problems continue, restart both your iPhone and the vehicle's head unit. One key troubleshooting tip: reset CarPlay settings in Settings General CarPlay. Repair and re-add widgets to resolve persistent sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.